many we got?
How many you got?
Ready?
How many? How many frogs are in there? Oh my gosh, that was a lot of frogs. Look at them all swimming away. There's frogs everywhere.